Okay, good afternoon. All of you see yesterday, not yesterday, in my previous video I have taught the chapter circle and I have complete up to paragraph 9, 15.1, paragraph 7 or 9, paragraph 7. No. So let's start problem number 8. Problem number 8. What is there? Draw the figure. This is center. This is P, A, B, C, Q, P. Okay, all of you see the figure. In this figure, you have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. Okay, no problem. I just told you the theorem. You should remind it. This is 130 degree. Then this angle ACB will be half of AOB because the center angle is double of circumference angle on the same arc. Okay, it is 130 degree. You have to write the reason. Okay, so it is 65 degree. You got this is 65. This is 65 means this is a straight line. Then this will be 180 minus 60. That is, we can write BCD equals to BCD. Yes, 180 minus 65 equals to 115. And this is 115. Then this angle and this angle are related. This is the center circumference angle. This is the center angle. We know this center angle will be double of this. That is, this is 115. Then this will be, this angle can be written as reflex BQA. Reflex BQP equals to 2 into 115. That is 230 degree. You got reflex BQP equals to 230 degree. Okay. Now you have to find the value of x. And x, this is the angle. This total angle equals to 360 degree. Around the point, all the angles, sum of all angles equals to 360 degree. Therefore, x equals to 360 minus 230. Then equals to 130 degree. Okay. Next, all of us see problem number 10A. This is P, this is B, B, A, C, and this is O. This angle equals 70 degree. This is 40 degree. You have to find first CDE, then OBE. CDE then OB. CDE means this angle. You have to find this angle. Okay. All of you see, this is the diameter. CD is the diameter and O is the center. Then this angle equals to 90 degrees. So we can write CED equals to 90 degree. You will write the reason. Now angle in semicircle is right angle. Okay. Now from this triangle, this is 40, this is 90. Then this will be 50 degree by angle sum property. CDE equals to 180 minus 90 plus 40 equals to 50 degree. You have to write the reason angle sum property. This is first one. Then in second, you have to find OBE. OBE means this angle. You have to find this angle. This angle. OBE will be no problem. This is 70 degree. This angle equals to this plus this. See now, for this triangle, this is exterior angle. Exterior angle equals to sum of other two interior angle. Therefore, we can write 70 degree equals to this angle. This angle means you got 50 degree plus angle OBE. Then angle OBE equals to 70 degree minus 50 degree. It is equals to 20 degree. Okay. Got? Next. Problem number 13B. (25 degree). In the figure given below, O is the center of a circle and chord CD is parallel to diagram AB to the diameter AB. If ABC equals to 25, calculate CD. You have to find CD, and this is A, this is B. Okay, no problem. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Therefore, we can write ABC equals to BCD because interior alternate angle. Interior alternate angle means this is 25 degree. Now join, all of you join this. Join OC and OD. Therefore, BOD equal to BOD, this angle will be twice of BCD. BCD na? Angle in the center on the arc BD, that is BOD. Again, angle in the circumference on the arc BD, that is BCD. Both are equal. This angle will be twice of this angle. That is 2 into 25 degree equals to 50 degree. So this is 50 degree. BOD equals to 50 degree. Same as also AOC. You just see the figure, then you can understood everything. AOC equals to 2 into ABC. 2 into angle ABC, that is 2 into 25 degree equals to 50 degree. Now this is 50 degree, this is 50 degree. Then this will be 180 minus 50 plus 50. Therefore, we can write COD equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree plus 50 degree equals to 80 degree. Now you got angle COD equals to 80 degree. Therefore, CED will be half of COD. क्या आ रहा है? ओ सब तो रंग করছিল দেখতে মুখা देखो नेक्स्ट ऑल ऑफ यू सी फिफ्टीन ए the other figure it is given that in the figure P is the point of intersection of two chords BC and AQ. Name them. A, B, C, Q and P. P is the intersecting point BC and AQ such that AB equals to AP. AB equals to AP. Okay. Now prove that CP equals to CQ. No problem. AP equals to AQ, AB. AP equals to AB. Then that means ABP is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, ABP equals to APB. Again, APB equals to QPC. APB equals to QPC. Why? Now vertically opposite angle. This angle is equals to this angle, and this angle is equals to this angle. ABP CQP. Why? Now angle in the same line segment. See the same arc AC, which makes angles at the center ABC and AQC. Both angles will be equal. CQP. Therefore, we can say that these two angles are equal. Therefore, QPC equals to PQC. That means this angle equal. Therefore, their opposite side. This side equals to this side. Therefore, PC equals to QC. Proved. You have to prove na CP equals to CQ. Same as also PC equals to PC. A. In the figure given below, chord AB and CD of a circle intersect at E. Prove that these two triangles are similar. For triangle ABE, you have to prove the similar from similarity chapter. And triangle CBE. Okay. ADE and CBE. This angle equals to this angle in the same line segment. CBE equals to ADE. You will write the region, angle in the same line segment. Again, CEB equals to AED, vertically opposite. You got two angles are equal. Therefore, by AA, triangle ADE similar to triangle CBE. This is first one. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportion. The corresponding sides are proportion means we can write that is CE by AE equals to BC by AD equals to BE by DE. This is number one. Here CD given, DE given, AE given, calculate BE. Means this, you have to take this and DE and CDEA. CDAE. CD. You can do two methods. BE by DE. Or by AE 16 equals to BE. BE is not given. BE by DE 4. Here CD equals to 12. CD equals to 12. Then CD equals to CE equals to 12 minus DE. CD equals to 12 and DE equals to 4. Then CE equals to 12 minus DE means it is 8. 8 by 16 equals to BE by 4 or BE equals to 2 centimeter. Okay. Last. All of you see 20B. B. Draw the figure. the given figure chords BACD are circumvented of P, prove that PAD equals to PCB. Prove that PAD, this angle equals to PCB. PCB, this angle. Okay, let's see. At first we can say that BAD equals to BCD. Why? Angle in the same line segment on the arc BD. Therefore, PAD equals to 180. Suppose this is x. Suppose this is x. Then this will be x. 180 minus x. And PCB equals to also 180 minus x. Both are equal. Therefore, we can say that PAD equals to PCB. The first one you got. The second one, PA into PB equals to PC into PD. PA, to prove that you have to join AC and BD. Then triangle PAC and triangle PBD. PA into PB. You have to prove these two triangles are similar. You have to prove these two triangles are similar. This is the common angle. Angle P equals to angle P common. And what is the next angle? Tell. This angle is equal to this angle. Equal. Oh, very good. Therefore, this angle is equal. And what is the next? One thing, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This exterior angle equals to this opposite interior angle. This is the exterior angle. This angle equals to this opposite interior angle. And this angle equals to this opposite interior angle. Therefore, we can write PAB, this exterior angle. PAC equals to PDB. Therefore, by angle axiom, triangle PBD similar to triangle PAC. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side angle proportion, the corresponding PA by their corresponding PA by PA, this angle equals to this angle, then PA by its corresponding side this. PA by PD, PA by PD equals to PC by PB. Therefore, PA into PB equals to PC into PB. Okay. So first exercise finished. All of you write down the homework. That is homework problems number 10B, 12, 13A, 16A and 17B, 20A. Okay, we will submit by tomorrow. Okay. So next day I will start the cyclic properties of circle. Bye.